Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to find best hotels on Agoda. So first of all, let's launch Google search engine. From here, let's search for Agoda. Now let's tap on the official website of Agoda on top. Now once you come here, you can simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of this page. You can go ahead and tap on the option of coupons and deals. From here, you can collect various coupons according to your preferences. Just simply tap on one of it. I'm going to tap on this first one on top. With that, you can see that in my case, this coupon has already been applied. Now what you can do is you can simply search for a city where you are heading to. Then tap on the option of search. From here, you can find hotels with best deals. You can also tap on the option of filter on top. You can also set the price by sliding this button on top. Then tap on the option of filter. Now over here, you can find various deals on Agoda. These are the best deals that is available currently. Tap on any one of it in order to book the cheapest and best deals on Agoda and make a reservation. So that's how simply you could find best deals on Agoda. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.